Welcome to this video on big data mining and graph analytics. In this module, we explore how to analyze large, complex networks to uncover hidden patterns using various specialized nodes and engines. Think of a data network like an electrical circuit. Just as electricity flows through wires and components, information travels across nodes and edges. Understanding this mapping is key to analyzing complex systems. Spark GraphX serves as our distributed grid. It excels at processing massive networks by distributing nodes across multiple machines, using resilient distributed datasets to calculate relationships at high speeds. Choosing the right algorithm is essential. Whether you need to map grid topology, find parallel behaviors through item set mining, or calculate the most efficient routes via pathfinding, this matrix guides your selection. Frequent item set mining helps us extract value from raw data. By using filters like a priori or fluorine monophosphide growth, we can efficiently identify groups of items that appear together, while pruning the search space to maintain performance. For network topology, we often rely on two core approaches. PageRank helps us identify the most influential nodes, while community detection, such as the Louvain algorithm, reveals tightly connected local subcircuits. When it comes to pathfinding, we have two primary methods. Breadth-first search expands outward in uniform waves to count steps, while Dijkstra's algorithm finds the path of least resistance based on edge weights. The PageRank algorithm functions as a mathematical engine. By calculating target node importance based on connecting nodes, a damping factor, and outbound link counts, it ranks the significance of entities in a network. Computers represent these structures using adjacency matrices. A 1 represents a connection, while a 0 indicates an open circuit. Algorithms then process this matrix to determine centralities within the network structure. Graph analytics operates at industry scale. Companies like LinkedIn use these methods daily to map professional networks, calculate degrees of separation, and drive recommendation engines by processing billions of connections in real time. For advanced synthesis, we use graph embeddings. Methods like Node2Vec flatten complex three-dimensional graph structures into two-dimensional numerical vectors, allowing neural networks to process network data effectively. To conclude this video, reflect on these core system checks. Consider how PageRank calculates importance, the scalability differences between matrices and lists, and how the downclosure property optimizes item set mining.